Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure.
Name is The Teddy Bear Who Loved Surprises. Barnaby was a little teddy bear who loved to play a game. His favorite game was called Where's Barnaby? He loved to give a big surprise. First, Barnaby wiggled into a big red shoe. He peeked out just a little bit. Ready or not, here I come, he thought. Little Elara came looking for her friend. She looked high and she looked low. Where are you, Barnaby? She said. Then she saw the shoe. Aha! Surprise! Cried Barnaby. Elara giggled with a happy laugh. She picked him up and gave him a big squeezy hug. Next, Barnaby scurried into the cupboard. He hid behind a stack of soft folded towels. What a perfect hiding spot for a little teddy bear! Elara looked and looked. She opened the cupboard door. Are you in here, Barnaby? She asked, and there he was. What a fun surprise! Barnaby wiggled his nose. Elara gave a big happy laugh. It was so much fun to find him. One last time, Barnaby jumped into the toy box. He hid under a pile of blocks and a little red car. He was ready for a final surprise. Elara found him right away. There you are, my silly teddy, she said. She scooped him up and gave him a gentle hug. The sun went down and it was the time for bed. Elara snuggled Barnaby close by. He was a very happy teddy bear. He loved his big cozy bedtime hug best of all. That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye bye.